It's 6:17 a.m. You haven't lived yet, but you're already late. Coffee, shower, traffic, badge swipe, fake smile. Happy Monday! You sell your time for $30 an hour. That's the deal. Clean, fair, adult. $30 for 60 minutes. Math checks out. Capitalism high-fives you. But I've been at the crime scene, and your $30 an hour job? It pays you four! And the real scam isn't the boss. It's the story you keep telling yourself. A salary is a fair trade of money for time. It's not a trade. It's a surrender. 1. The money lie. Let's move fast. $30 an hour sounds strong, sounds responsible, sounds like you made it. 8 hours, $240. Now shrink it. Taxes, roughly 25%. $240 becomes $180. 2 hours erased instantly. Then the job charges you to keep the job. Gas, car wear, parking, clothes built for optics, not comfort. Food bought out of exhaustion. Call it $30 a day. $180 becomes $150. Your $30 an hour is now $18.75. And we haven't even counted time yet. Different paycheck, same structure. You're not paid $30, you're advertised $30. 2. The time theft. You think you work 8 hours? No, you orbit the job for 12. Commute, 1 hour. Unpaid lunch, 1 hour. Morning prep, 30 minutes. Evening decompression, 1.5 hours where you're alive but not functional. That's 4 hidden hours. Divide $150 by 12. $12.50 per real hour tied to the job. And here's the brutal detail. Your best hours are not at night. They're mid-morning. Your sharpest focus, your highest leverage thinking, your creative energy. Already sold. You don't give them leftovers. You give them peak. 3. The combustion line. Now finish it. Out of that $150, after rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, phone, basic survival, maybe $40 is discretionary. Maybe. $40 divided by 12 hours, $3.33. Call it $4 per hour of actual autonomy. That's what your $30 job produces in freedom. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not underpaid. You're underaware. The internal villain isn't the corporation. It's your attachment to certainty. Your need to look stable. Your fear of being the friend who fell off. Your addiction to saying, I'm good. Most people don't want freedom. They want reassurance. So they protect the system that drains them. 4. The dignity drain. Now zoom in. Small edits, daily. You soften opinions. You delay ideas. You filter ambition. You learn which tone gets promoted, which questions get labeled difficult, which risks stall careers. So you adjust. Not dramatically, strategically. Over time, strategy becomes personality. You stop asking, do I believe this? You ask, is this safe? You stop optimizing for truth. You optimize for trajectory. No meltdown, no rebellion, just steady alignment. And alignment, repeated for years, reshapes you. 5. The time horizon scam. They sell you a sequence. Work hard now, climb steadily, freedom later. In 20 years, you'll have options. But look at the pattern. Your 20s proving, your 30s stabilizing, your 40s protecting, your 50s maintaining. The finish line keeps moving. Freedom is always deferred. Your salary is a fee they pay you to forfeit your best years. By the time you can buy them back, they are gone, not stolen, spent. And here's what's never said. You don't dream of retiring old. You dream of autonomy while you're still sharp. That window closes faster than your savings grow. 6. The lifestyle lock-in. Then comes expansion. Raises feel like progress. $30 becomes $35, then $40. But your life scales with it. Better apartment, better car, higher fixed costs, more normal luxuries. Nothing flashy, just incremental upgrades. Your monthly burn rate rises quietly. Now your job isn't income, it's oxygen. Leaving would mean contraction. explaining yourself, downshifting, looking unstable. So you defend the setup. You call it maturity, but it's dependency with better branding. 7. The mechanism, the freedom discount. Here's the machine. The freedom discount. Advertised wage, $30 an hour. After taxes, work costs, hidden hours, and survival expenses, you net about $4 per hour of real autonomy. You give peak years, peak cognition, peak health. They give structured security, just enough comfort to prevent rebellion, just enough income to avoid panic, just enough predictability to keep you compliant. You don't feel trapped, you feel responsible, and that's why it works. 8. The replacement problem. Here's the part nobody likes. If you disappear tomorrow, the job continues. Meetings rescheduled, access reassigned, your chair filled. The system moves on. But if you disappear from your own life for 20 years, no one restores that. Your creative prime doesn't pause. Your risk tolerance doesn't rewind. Your curiosity doesn't compound. You are trading irreplaceable years for a role that is replaceable in weeks. That's the asymmetry. They can replace you. You cannot replace your time. And yet you treat the job like the fragile asset. It's not. You are. Tomorrow morning, when that alarm hits 6:17, don't think, I make $30 an hour. Think, I generate $4 per hour of life I actually control. And ask yourself one honest question. If this deal is so fair, why does it feel like you're always slightly behind? One day, you'll sit in a quiet room. No meetings, no deadlines, no badge. You won't remember the quarterly targets. You'll remember how young you were and how cheaply you sold it. This isn't advice. It's an autopsy. Stickman out.